In today's video, we are going to learn how to upload images in Node.js using Multer. We will start from scratch and build a simple image upload system step by step. So create one project folder and then we need to install a couple of packages to make this happen. So do npm init -y to initialize this project with npm, and then install npm install Express and Multer. Okay, and till then we will simply create a new file, server.js. Okay, let's start writing our server.js file. So const express equal to require express, const multer equal to require multer, and const path equal to require path. And I will define app instance const app equal to express, so we can access the express. Now here where our images will be uploaded, so I will write code for that. So const storage equal to multer dot disk storage, so it will be uploaded in the folder only for now. So yeah, so destination, and this will be a callback function request file and cb callback. Okay, and we'll call the callback here null, and second parameter will be location, so it will be under uploads. Okay, so another thing, we'll need a file name in here. So file name, this will be a callback function again, request file and cb, and this function basically call the cb null date dot now, so it will be a unique file name so that we don't accidentally override the files, right? So that's why ext name will pass the file dot original name. Okay, so once this is done, storage function is done. Now we'll define const upload equal to multer storage. Okay, so let me just hide this terminal. Okay, now it will be bigger screen. Then we will write code here for image upload endpoint. So app.post, it will be /upload, and here upload dot single image request response. Okay, so first we will check if there is file in the request or not. So if the file is not there, then we will simply return with response dot setting the JSON code as 400 server side error, and JSON with proper message, no image uploaded. Okay, otherwise we'll just send the response res.json, and set the message as image uploaded. Okay, and we will also return the file name request.file.file name. Okay, now this is done. Next step is we'll simply start our server app.listen on 3000 and hit this callback function, this console.log server running. Okay, so let's save this. Let's create one folder as well. So the uploads will get uploaded here, and we can create one test script. So we'll make use of this upload route which we created, right? So for that I will create test.html, and here I will just simply write form for now. Okay, and inside this form there will be like input with type file and name image, and it will accept basically image type, image slash. Okay, and there will be a button upload. So it will be very ugly, but yeah, it does the work. Type of submit. Okay, okay, now in the form we need to add some things like action. This will be our server URL, backend server URL, http:// localhost 3000, and our image upload route is /upload, and default method will be post since we are making post request. Yep, and ink type is multipart form data. Okay, now what we'll do, we will run our server. So to run our code we just need to do node server.js. okay, it says server is running, so let's check it. So I will just open containing folder. Okay, and I will open this with Chrome. Okay, so yeah, this is working. So let's click on this, and I will just upload this udemy.png, I guess. Select, and let me just open this network tab so we'll know what's happening. Okay, so when I click submit we get the message image got uploaded, and this was our file name. And in here in network tab as well, right, we can see this upload http route post request, and payload was the image, and in response we got this file and message which we were returning. So in uploads I should see that image, right? This one, this is the image we uploaded. So yeah, this is how you can accept image in the Node.js with Multer.